चलो start with the 20th chapter. You know that without changing the position of the body, movement occurs. And by changing the body position, locomotion occurs. So movement and locomotion, for that cilia, flagella, tentacles are there. So one thing, if you know that all the locomotions are movement, but all movements are not locomotion. Structures for movement and locomotion are little bit different, but both are corresponding to each other. Mechanism is little bit different, but structures for that same. Three types of the movement are there: amoeboid movement, ciliated movement, and muscular movement. Why would make any? Saudi important. 5-star. WBCs, human WBCs perform amoeboid movement. Okay, સૌથી important, because તમને એ તો નોર્મલી ખ્યાલ જ હશે કે amoeba perform amoeboid movement. Actually amoeba is irregular in shape, fine, but basically last time કહી દઉં છું, લ્યુકોસાઇટ્સ, બરાબર ને? Leukocytes means WBCs, or you say that macrophages, also known as NK cells. Yes, natural killer cells perform amoeboid movement. So they change the position of the body, shape of the body, and in between the two successive cells, intercellular space is there. So at that region they can alter their shape and transfer through this and protect the cell or tissue against the particular pathogen. Yeah? Ciliary movement. Examples: inner wall of trachea. Carry on. Paramecium. Okay, then in the fallopian tube. Good. Then the fallopian tube ma ovo આવી ગયો. ovo કેમ થયું? Movement of sperm. Vasa deferentia. Then ear canal. Good. Sorry, nasal chamber. So આ બધા examples યાદ રાખજો. In that ciliary movement occurs. And unique movement, unique synchronizing movement of the cilia was transfer of this in unidirectional. Because તમે જો થોડું વિચાર, તમે જેટલા examples આપ્યા, for example in the oviduct, ovum is always transferred from the ovary towards the uterus. Vasa deferentia. Vasa deferentia is originated from the epididymis and connected to the ejaculatory duct outside. But it moves the sperm from epididymis towards the ejaculatory duct, not back. In unidirectional. For example, trachea. Trachea transfers the oxygen towards the lungs and remove the carbon dioxide from the alveoli. We say like that. So synchronizing movement of the cilia. Synchronizing એટલે બહુ જ મસ્ત છે. આપણે ગ્રાસ હોય, ગ્રાસ ગ્રાસ લોંગ હોય તો વિન્ડ ફ્લો થાય ત્યારે બધા ગ્રાસના લીવ્સ વન સાઇડ બેન્ડ થાય. Exactly similar movement occur in the sea. Okay, and muscular movement due to muscles form the complex network along with the nervous system. So nervous system is connected to the muscular system, and very complex network-like structure is created inside the body, and complex movement and locomotion are performed. Okay, so this is about the basic information of the locomotion and movement. Okay, now muscles are originated from mesoderm. How many muscles are there in our body? 639. Out of that 317. बराबर છે 317. 634 muscles are there in pair. 634 are there in pair, but 634 but 317 are pair. 5 are lonely, alone. Barabar? The study of the muscles known as myology. Study of muscles known as myology, also known as sarcology. The most important line of textbook: muscles consist 40 to 50% portion of total body weight. Barabar? 40 to 50% portion of the total body weight. You know there are 3 types of the muscles. Barabar? Iliac muscle is tightened muscle but involved in nature and connected by intercalary disc. Okay, now in the skeletal muscle, A band, anisotropic band, made up of myosin. I band, isotropic band. It is made up of I band is made up of actin, troponin and tropomyosin. 3 components are there. Barabar? Structure of the skeletal muscle: A band consists both thick and thin filaments, but in the center of the A band define it. H zone or H band. In the center of the A band, thin filaments are absent. Only thick filaments are there. That region is known as H band or H zone or Hansen's zone. Whereas in the center of then A band, in that only thin filaments are there. The center of the I band. I band is made up of thin filaments only, and in the center of the I band, Z line. Z line also known as Dobbe's line. Also known as Krauss membrane. Dobbe's line ખબર પડવી જોઈએ. So I band is made up of thin filaments, A band is made up of thin and thick filaments, H band is made up of only thick filaments, thin filaments are absent here, fine. And between two successive Z lines, the region is known as sarcomere, and in sarcomere, in the center, whole A band is there, and in the both the sides, two half I band is there. So sarcomere is the structural and functional unit of the skeletal muscle. Right? Okay, the length of the sarcomere is 2.5 micrometer. The length of the sarcomere is 2.5 micrometer. Now you write this. One myosin filament is surrounded by 6 actin filaments. तो विचारता नहीं हो, एक्सेप्ट कर ही ले. One myosin filament is surrounded by 6 actin filaments, and one actin filament is surrounded by 3 myosin filaments. तो विचारવાનું નહીં, MCQ ટીક કરવાનું, થિયરી નથી લખવા. આને ડબલ 5 સ્ટાર આપી દો. કઈ યાદ ન રહે તો વાંધો નહીં, આ તો યાદ રાખજો, હું બધા કહીશ. Then Z disc is made up of actinine protein. Z disc, Z line, Dobbe's line, Krauss membrane, બધું સેમ. બધા ભાઈ બહેનો. ચલો now. You know it. G-actin is converted into F-actin with the help of which mineral? Mg+2. Which two minerals are useful for muscle contraction? Mg plus 2 and calcium. Ca plus 2. મને પાછો નહોતો આવડતો. તમારે જેટલું કેમિસ્ટ્રી ન આવડતું ને એ વાંધો છે. Myosin, you know that, don't write it. I've already told you. Myosin is made up of meromyosin. And two types of meromyosin, heavy and light. H2H. Heavy is present in head and light is present in the neck and the tail. Barabar? So myosin filament from that at particular intervals, crossing arms are coming out. Remember that in the head of the crossing arm, two sides are there. Actin binding site and ATP binding site. So ATP binding site consists ATPase enzyme. બરાબર. પછી આપણે મિકેનિઝમ ઓફ મસલ કોન્ટ્રાક્શન જોયું હતું એ ફટાફટ એક જ મિનિટમાં રિવાઇઝ કરી દઈએ. Mechanism of muscle contraction is known as sliding filament theory. બરાબર. Myosin filaments are stable. Over that actin filaments are sliding down. Video बतायो. During muscle contraction, three things become short. Tell me. Sarcomere, H-band, and I-band. Sarcomere, H-band, and I-band become short, whereas thick filaments, thin filaments, and A-band, there is no change in its length. નો ખ્યાલ આવે તો YouTube ની અંદર mechanism of muscle contraction સર્ચ કરજો. આપણે જે ઓનલાઈન વિડિયો બતાવ્યો તો એ જ વિડિયો અંદર આવશે. કોઈ ગર્લ પેન રાખીને બેસે છે યાદ આવતું હોય તો બરાબર એ તમને ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરી લેજો હજી ફરીથી એક વખત. બરાબર. Now second thing, cross bridge formation between actin and myosin occurs without usage of ATP. In the absence of ATP, and cross bridge is broken down in presence of ATP. Because if you have remembered that cross-arm formation, at that time ATP binding site at ATP is broken down. ATP is converted into ADP and PI, and with the help of the releasing of that energy, the cross arm is bind to the actin filament, and then it pull towards the M line. Because you know that in the H-band middle of that M line is there. So both the thin filaments are coming close to each other towards the M line. In this way, H-band becomes shortened, corresponding to that I-band becomes shortened, and sarcomere becomes short. So cross-arm formation is without ATP, and cross-arm detach or broken down with the help of ATP. And you know that prolonged muscle contraction due to that, muscle undergoes anaerobic respiration, and lactic acid is accumulated, known as fatigue muscle. Now, two types of these skeletal muscles, red muscles and white muscles. Okay, difference લખાયો છે. In our blood, hemoglobin is there. Similar to that, in muscles, myoglobin is there. So, more amount of myoglobin in red muscles, more mitochondria, Less endoplasmic reticulum. Yes, and these are the aerobically respired. Example, wings muscles of birds. Whereas white muscles include less amount of the myoglobin, less mitochondria, more endoplasmic reticulum, anaerobic respiration occurs, fine, and easily fatigable. Example, eye muscles of human. Clear? So this is about the types of the skeletal muscle. Okay, in smooth muscle, actin is more than myosin. In smooth muscles, actin is more than myosin. Myofibril is functional unit of involuntary muscle. Myofibril is functional unit of involuntary muscle. ऑनलाइन में આપણે આ વાત નહીં કરી હોય. Have you ever heard this? What? Tell me. After death within an hour. After death within an hour, limb position is fixed. Muscles become stiff. Death થઈ જાય પછી body stiff થઈ જશે due to prolonged muscle contraction state. Muscle is not begin in its relaxation state, so that is known as rigor mortis. Stiffness in the joints after hour of the death, that condition is known as rigor mortis. And it is due to free supply of ATPs. After death, cells release the ATPs in more number. चलो फाइन, थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज में डिस्कस कर ही दीजिए. છે આવી બધી? સોરી, સરાઉન્ડિંગ ટુ ધી શોલ્ડર, પ્રાણી કરે છે. Stapes, middle ear. Do you know this? Right. See, sartorius is the longest muscle of the body, which is originated from the ilium, okay, run through whole thigh region and inserted at the tibia. Longest muscle of the body, fine. Gluteus muscles, known as buttock muscles, intramuscular injection is given there. Buttock muscles. So gluteus is of two types, maximus and minimus. Fine. It is the largest muscle of the body. Stapedius, connected to the stapes. So similarly, the stapes is the shortest bone. Stapedius muscle is the shortest muscle of the body. Fine. Deltoid muscle is triangle muscle. Many more number of muscles are present in the back region. So out of these 639 muscles, 180 muscles are present in our back. So highest number of muscles are present in our body in the back region. Out of the 639 muscles, 400 muscles are voluntary in nature. And during prolonged contraction, lactic acid is formed by Core's cycle. Okay? And longest smooth muscle is present in uterus of pregnant lady. Uterine muscles are smooth muscles, but during gestation period, it is present in the maximum stretching condition. Okay, so it is the longest involuntary muscle. Right? So everything about the muscle is over. Now skeletal muscle I will continue tomorrow. Right?